we want to flip or transpose our data from this wide format here into a long format. And there are two methods that we can apply. The first method is static, meaning that it doesn't change automatically when you update your data. And how we do this is we go ahead and select all of our data, hit Control-C to copy it, and then right-click in a space where you want to paste your data and go to this fourth option that says Transpose. Now notice it does transpose our data, but one thing that you do need to be aware of is that it does not dynamically update. So if this were actually east instead of north, notice it doesn't change in this transposed data set. The second way is to deal with this. We can go ahead and type equals transpose, select all of our data, and then hit enter. And if we were to actually change this back to north, it will change that to north. And then if we were to change one of these dates to June, it will change that as well.